Another reason names disappear so fast is that our brains evolved to remember things that matter for survival. Thousands of years ago, forgetting which berries were poisonous or which animal sounds meant danger could be deadly. But forgetting someone's name, not exactly life-threatening. Our memory systems still operate on this ancient priority list, which is why we can recall a scary movie scene from years ago, a blank on the name of someone we met 5 minutes ago. Unless a name feels immediately important, like if it belongs to your new boss or your crush, your brain doesn't see much reason to hold on to it.